So these are two people who decided to do PTI 1 and then they continued on to PTI 2 and 3 together. And they are going to describe their experience doing this as a couple.
Okay. Um, so my wife came to me with the idea of doing PTI 1 together, and very out of the box for me. Um, I was of the mindset, definitely of the mindset of I don't need any sort of therapy or anything like this. Um, but I just decided to take, I guess, this jump and said, what's the worst that can happen? And just said yes. And it's probably the best thing I've done in my life, best decision I've made in my life, um, in terms of, just my relationships with people as well as my wife, and just within myself as well, most importantly, because that definitely bleeds over to my interactions with people. So,
And I was introduced to the idea by a very trusted friend who I've enjoyed PTI 2 and PTI 3 with. And I trusted her judgment a lot, and that had a lot to do with my decision. I also spoke with Kara on the phone before choosing to do PTI 1. And I was very surprised and pleased when my husband decided to do PTI as well. And I think it makes a big difference that we've done it together. It makes a huge difference. I don't want to understate it, because what it has given us is a common language to understand our dynamic and what's going on between us. So PTI isn't a magic that takes away all of our problems, but when we do have a problem, we're able to communicate in a different way about what's happening. And I think one of the things it's allowed us to do is come closer in a lot of ways, but also have space. So I have a better understanding of what things are mine that I need to deal with and what are his.
mhm. And I've definitely, along this basically the same note, yes, issues still come up for us as well as just other people. We don't leave here without all of everything resolved just in a perfect, utopia world. But definitely coming away and having done PTI 1 and 2 and now 3, we are better equipped to go out into the world, and identify, our own stuff as well as, what is not our stuff, and be able to just connect with people more at a deeper level. And something that I thought I would never say, and be proud of. I'm very proud of that, and very proud to have gone through this experience, for myself as well as with my wife together. And I've met some very awesome people in the process.
And many of those people have told us they wish they could do it with a spouse, or that they had done it with a spouse. And so I really, really encourage you to do that.